Republic and time now for a big Republic exclusive. While speaking to Republic TV on the Sushant Singh Rajput death investigation, Bihar Chief Minister Nitish Kumar has said that it was the legal responsibility of the Bihar police to conduct a probe because Sushant Singh Rajput's father had filed a case in Patna. He has also warned that his government will take action if there is anyone who tries to thwart the investigation and has urged the Mumbai police to cooperate with the Bihar police. The Chief Minister of Bihar has also assured that if need be, the Bihar government will order a CBI probe if the family demands so. I straight away want to bring in our senior editor Prakash Singh, who has spoken with the Bihar Chief Minister. Prakash, what more did he say to you?
Well, Suyesa, I want to make one thing clear, that you said that if the family demands, the CBI probe would be ordered. It's not that. Since the case has been lodged by father Mr. KK Singh, and if Mr. KK Singh wants that a CBI probe should be ordered, then only Bihar Chief Minister Nitish Kumar can recommend for a CBI inquiry. In my long telephonic conversation with him, which I've had just a moment back, Bihar Chief Minister Nitish Kumar said that at any cost, I want justice for Sushant Singh Rajput, who was a famous actor hailing from Bihar, and he had fans all across India and in different parts of the world. And there's been injustice done to him. He was trapped, and we should get him justice. And that is why, after his father KK Singh lodged an FIR with the Patna police, and the Patna police is duty bound, and it is the legal responsibility of the Patna police to inquire and investigate into the case. And that is why the Patna police is camping in Patna, in Mumbai. And as a matter of fact, on the non-cooperation from the Mumbai police, he categorically said that the Mumbai police should cooperate. In a way, he hinted that in a federal structure, all the policing system are one. If one police organization goes to another police state, then they have to cooperate because the case has been lodged in Patna. And he said that at any cost, I will ensure that Sushant Singh Rajput gets justice, his family gets justice, and we are with his family in this time of crisis. And I will ensure that he gets justice, and whatever I have to do, I will do it, because the case has been lodged in Patna, and there was a case, there is a petition lodged by Riya Chakravarti in Supreme Court to shift the case from Patna to Mumbai. He said that the Bihar government has already engaged senior advocate of the Supreme Court, Mukul Rohatgi, to plead for the case to be inquired and investigated upon in Patna. So the Bihar police will do its best to get justice for Sushant Singh Rajput and their family members. And he said in very specific terms that the father, Mr. KK Singh, who has lost the case, if he feels or desires that a CBI probe should be conducted, then only the state government can recommend for a CBI probe. Else, the Bihar police is competent to investigate and inquire into this matter and the death of Sushant Singh Rajput. And that is why it is the legal responsibility of the Bihar police to send its team to Mumbai, which is the place of occurrence, and investigate and inquire, and which is doing its duty. And in a way, he attacked the Maharashtra government, also said that the Mumbai police should cooperate in a federal structure. Every state government has to cooperate. If there are incidences that has happened in some other state, then they have to cooperate. So Nitish Kumar, for the first time, it's a super exclusive Republic TV interview in which he has opened up for the first time in this Sushant Singh Rajput case, saying that he is with Sushant Singh Rajput's family, and he wants to get justice for Sushant Singh Rajput at any cost.
And Prakash, with the different positions of the Bihar Chief Minister and the Maharashtra Chief Minister, and the way it is turning into an all-out fight, we wait and watch what also happens in the top court on the 5th of August. For the moment, I want to thank you. We'll continue to keep our